Hi, welcome to Dave and Eddie. Today we are going to do a little Champions Path and then something else we picked up at Sam's Club. It's got two 151 tins
Specifically the Gengar one.
and a Pokeball in it. I don't know what Pokeball is in it, so we don't know what series it is. But we're going to do the... You want to do Champions Path first or this first?
Champions Path.
It's just 4 packs. It's probably going to be
V.
Huh?
Champions Path is a shiny Charizard V.
Yeah.
And
Hard to pull it.
the Rainbow VMAX.
So you get a big card, obviously. And you get the little card. No code card, huh?
Nope.
Interesting. You want those two? Take the 2 on the right, I'll take the 2 on the left?
Sure.
Or do you want Gardevoir?
No.
Oh, there's a code card. There you go. Alright.
What's your second pack? It's a Charizard.
What? That's got your Charizard in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hope so.
Definitely what I said.
What?
It might actually have the Charizard V.
Oh boy. I got the Purloin reverse and a hollow Scrafty. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yep, hollow Scrafty.
I got a reverse energy and a Corsola V full art.
You got full art.
No.
That'll work.
Yeah.
That'll work. We take those.
Regular cards. I actually like that full art.
Yeah. Oh. The code cards don't mean anything in Champions Path. They're all the good code cards. Galarian Linoon and Professor's Research Hollow.
Malamar reverse and a Scrafty hollow.
All right, 2 Scrafty hollows. Scrafty. Absolutely. Rockruff. Okay, yeah, that's all right. We take the full art.
Yep.
We'll take that. We take that.
Take that, brother.
So, yeah, you got 7 packs here. You want that one, don't you?
No.
Oh, you don't want that one. You want
No,
the
I
Gengar.
want the Gengar.
So, comes with a coin, got 2 packs.
My Gengar. Wouldn't it be great to pull the Alakazam?
That we need.
Yeah. Both of them in the same pack.
That would be awesome. So, you got the Pokeball.
What the?
C23 is that one. I don't know what one that
How
is.
do I?
Pull on the plastic, it'll start coming off. Got a fire coin. So I got.
No. I got a dark coin because it's cool.
Well, I got Arcanine, so Arcanine's fire type. Kind of hard to get out of here.
I'm gonna read about my Pokemon.
Okay.
Its height is 4'11". Ha.
Mine's 6'3".
Taller than you.
341 pounds.
Okay.
It's one of the bigger.
Mine is 89.3.
And we're in the Scarlet and Violet, so code cards don't mean anything. Not that.
These have cool artwork on the back.
They do. Vileplume, reverse. Psyduck, reverse. And a Beedrill hollow.
Wish that was the art rare Psyduck.
Yeah.
It goes like that sometimes.
Yeah. You'll have that.
What could be C23?
J series is the one you want. It has the Cosmic Eclipse in it.
Yeah. Machamp.
Machamp?
Machamp.
Machamp.
Yep.
Machamp?
Yep. Where do you...
I don't know. You did that. I didn't do that.
Kabuto. And a Dodrio Hollow. Blah, I cannot talk.
I got the Persian reverse. Rattata. And the Ninetales EX.
Hollow Energy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's the old school. That's what I wonder if they did, because you don't see this anymore. They got that hollow energy in 151. I wonder if they just ran sheet after sheet of that until they were gone. So then do away with it.
Caterpie. Father. It's the Alakazam that we
No
need.
way! That's awesome. You called
So
it.
Alakazam.
And an Alakazam. Boy, you said it could be a double.
Sadly, it's a full art we need though.
Yeah, that's all right. That works.
Struggling over there?
A little bit, apparently. I am.
Is the ball winning the fight?
It is winning. Okay, and we get a Pikachu coin.
Peacock.
And Silver Tempest. And two Lost Origins.
What do you want? I'll take the Shover.
You can have those.
Oh.
This is odd number.
I'm opening my Lost Origins last.
Code card from Lost Origins here. Do have trainer gals in all these.
Yep.
We got a Kingdra reverse. And a Zoroark V. Hisuian Zoroark V.
Palisand reverse and a Gardevoir non-hollow? That's weird. I wanted to go code cards too.
Are you sure you didn't?
Yep, I had this code card.
Okay. All right, last pack. They've been known to make mistakes before.
See if they do it again.
Oh, this is a different set though.
Yeah.
That was Silver Tempest.
No.
And he's got
A Parasect Trainer Gallery and a Volo Hollow.
all right. That's not bad. We didn't open too much, so got a couple of hits here.
Couple. That pays for like the whole thing.
Cursula V. Parasect Trainer Gal, the Zork V, Alakazam EX from 151, and then the Secret Illustration Rare Alakazam EX. We need that for our set. That takes us down to 9 is all we need, and that's also 151 Ninetales EX.
We have most of the hard cards out of the way to get, anyway.
We need the full art Charizard. That's kind of a hard one to pull. Not too hard, but for some reason we haven't pulled that, or one of the Bulbasaurs, isn't it?
Bulbasaur, art rare.
Art rare, yeah. We only need a couple cards. We're probably just gonna go buy them so we can finish it.
Yes.
Maybe we go do that now. We'll see. We gotta get sleeves, so. All right, so that's gonna do it. New set coming out this coming week, and that new set is called
Twilight Masquerade.
Twilight Masquerade. That's right. Comes out Friday. You can pick it up anywhere at your retail stores Friday. You may end up finding your ETBs at your Target or local Meijer, something like that. Sometimes sooner because they don't really no restrictions sometimes, so you might catch an ETB on the shelf a little early. So check it out. I don't know if we'll have much between now and then. We do have another booster box of Temporal. We're remodeling the back, so kind of going through some stuff. That's why we did Champions Path today. Like doing that. Again, got that full art. Happy with that. That'll do it for us. Twilight Masquerade coming your way 1 week. He's not Dave. I'm not Eddie. Have a good one.